Good evening, all. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
So, we are discussing about the electric lines of force. Any doubts are there in morning? What I have discussed, we have done the problem also.
Yes,
Hope
sir.
you are
No doubt.
right. You're comfortable, I think. So, remember, we shall prove the reason shortly. Always lines of force end or start normally. See, for example, this is a conductor. Always suppose this is an electric field, for example. So this is not normal, no? This is the electric line of force. You know that the tangent is electric field. Now this has two components, and the other is this one, no? This is perpendicular to this and parallel to the field. Now, if E parallel what will happen?
Sir,
Agreed.
yes, sir.
In electrostatics, charges must be.
Static means at rest.
Do you agree? Therefore, what you should have Q E parallel should be equal to 0. That means E parallel should be 0. E parallel is how much actually? E sin theta. What is this? E cos theta. That means what should be 0? E sin theta is 0. Do you agree with this? That means theta is 0, no? Theta
Yes.
is 0 means the field will be only one
Perpendicular
field.
to us.
This will be
Yes,
the
sir.
field. Understood?
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Like this, you should develop reasoning, man. Then you'll become an IITian. You have seen I posted yesterday, Goa IIT, they brought one innovative method. The student should only create the questions and answer. That's really a difficult job actually. Reason is, they'll be seeing how far is an expert in subject because he cannot lift from the books because every professor knows by seeing the problem they can tell from which book they extracted. So they don't want any copycats. They want the innovator who can innovate and create better questions. Yesterday I posted, you have seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your future will be depending upon your preparation for the future. How far you can change and adopt the new means of life. Instead of cursing the situation, try to change according to the situation. Darwin's theory, what is that? Survival of the fittest. So think, reasoning, you think, I'll help you out. Even I may not know, we'll discuss, we'll arrive at a point. That is what I need from the students. By discussions, I should also develop my subject now.
Yes, sir.
Then I should also progress now. How long I'll be going on giving what I have. I mean, my knowledge should also improve. No? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Complete it.
1 minute, sir.
Your own hard work takes you to IIT. One thing is sure, the principles what I teach and more than that, your curriculum is not there. So you can easily answer if you do the work allotted time to time. Completing the work, then only go to sleep. Then you will be successful. Don't procrastinate, postpone the work continuously. That will spoil your life.
Done, sir.
Next. So again, another point is if in a region understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, normal to area, right?
Huh?
Normal to area.
Hmm. Agreed?
Great, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see this is uniform field. Number of lines of force are different now.
Yes, sir.
So
They are closer. Distance is very different.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So out of this uniform means you should be
The last one. Yes.
this is non-uniform, no?
Yes, sir.
This is also
Non-uniform.
this one.
Non-uniform.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
So here he has given one situation. So the question is, which of the lines see, this is grazing the surface. Which one is correct? Which of these lines? Hmm? Anybody are there in the line?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Nobody is speaking. Line A is possible.
Yes, sir.
It is not possible because
Sorry, sir. Inside there will be no field. Sorry.
no, inside there is no, that is true only. What is the mistake here is,
Sorry, sir. Forgot.
okay, first thing is this. The second point is, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, normal here means it should be radial, no?
Yes, sir. Radial.
So this is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
sir. One doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, this B is violating two, no, sir. Sir, I am not understanding that because B is just
Because
grazing. If
it is grazing, man.
yes, sir, means just on the outer
That
surface, no, sir.
means
Just touching the outer
violating
surface.
one.
Yes, sir. Understood,
It's
sir.
not normal, no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. 1 minute, sir.
Gentlemen,
Sir, how line D is normal to conductor, sir?
B or D?
D, sir, D.
No, normal one, no? This is radial one, no?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
It is along the radius. Extend that. The point where it meets is you draw a tangent here. That is nothing but the radius one, radial one, no?
Yes,
Agreed.
sir. Yes, sir, agreed, sir.
Normal means draw one tangent here, man. Again, this is the normal one, no?
Yes, sir, understood.
So this is the tangent. Followed this?
Yes, sir, followed.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever charge is given, to a conducting body, what will happen?
Charge move to outer surface.
So suppose I give positive charge, all positives will repel or not? They repel
Yes, sir.
each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
On the outer surface, what like inside there is an electric field. On outer surface, understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
1 minute, sir.
So this is the situation. This is what happens. Completed?
Mm, Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Complete.
Completed.
Now let us see. See here, suppose a metal body. So now there is an electric field outside this. Now whenever an electric field is existing, what will happen here? There will be some negative charges here. There will be positive charges. So that means the line will be terminated here. This is the external electric field. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the external electric field out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let us see what will happen. So whenever a metal body is placed in an electric field, what will happen? The free electrons in the body experience great.
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, but one doubt, sir. Sir, in
Hmm.
this figure, every field lines are not normal to the surface now, sir. So in such
Normal,
cases,
normal, normal.
sir,
Normal
that
field.
down
This
one
line
field,
is
sir.
this. See, man, exactly. I did not draw. Okay.
Yes,
It
sir.
it
Sir, but
it does
my doubt is,
no physics will not change according to my drawing. Understood this? The fact
yes,
remains
sir.
same. Tell me.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but my doubt is, sir, for some curved body means like this many curves are there means then how
Anywhere,
this
anywhere it should be perpendicular. Followed?
uh, yes, sir. Yes,
Clear?
follow.
See,
Clear,
man,
sir.
this is a natural phenomenon. Remember that we have only discovered that this is happening. Don't think we invented. First thing, remember, electron we discovered. We never invented electron. Agreed. Certain creatures will come out of mother's womb. Some that creatures are born by themselves on the ground. This is all nature. We can't tell why it happens. Understood this? So these
Yes,
are the laws of the nature we are discovering. Understood this?
yes, sir.
So
Understood, sir.
my according to my drawing that won't change. You want me to draw exactly, I'll draw.
No, no, sir, no, sir. Understood, sir.
No.
I just was about to ask, sir.
Hmm. That's why I'm giving a running notes, the complete notes also, not to misunderstand. Okay, till here you
Yes, sir.
followed.
Followed, sir. Followed.
Now, due to this, what will happen? Okay,
Yes, sir.
till here any doubts are there? When all the electrons are drifted like this, what is left over here? Positive charges only, no? Till here any doubt is there?
No doubts.
Right. Now see, actually what happens, why there won't be any field means, actually we can see that there is a field here also inside this line of force. Okay, this is the external field. However, there is a field like this. What is this field? Induced field, no. Always electric field will be there, no.
Yes, sir.
Hello. That means the electron is subjected to forces. one force is Q E naught, opposite to this. Another force is QE into E induced. If these two forces are balanced, then the net field will be zero. Agreed? So I can say that due to the induced charges, in the book they will say inside it is zero. Why it is zero I am explaining. Due to the induced charges, inside the metal body means conductor. Okay. Understood it?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if E induced is less than the outside field, then what will happen? Still experience. What is the meaning of drift? Drift meaning.
Move in that direction.
Drifting means moving under some force. Diffusion means it moves due to density difference. Understood this? When I spray, if a room spray at one point, if I spray it, it spreads throughout the room because of diffusion. That means the particles move from higher density to lower density. Drifting means the motion due to an external force. Understood this? Here
Understood.
the drifting because of the external, the net force towards this. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? Any doubt is there, you can ask, get it clarified, get a seat, enjoy your life.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, according to how much electric field is there, like that only, no, sir, electron will drift. Means to balance that only, no, sir, electron will drift.
Yes,
So
man.
every
Initially, few electrons will come this side, but this field is not equal to this now. So that means some more electrons should be drifted now. Followed this or not?
yes, sir, yes, sir,
Clear?
clear, sir, clear, sir. Yes,
See, in the direction of external force, there is a force here. So electrons come here. When electrons come this side, you will be having a situation, there is an induced field. Now there is a force like this again.
yes,
Unless
sir,
if this force is more, still electrons come this side. So when electrons come here, induced field will increase now because the charges deposited are increasing. That means this will increase. At one stage, this will be equal to this. Follow this?
yes,
Clear or
sir,
not?
Yes, sir.
clear, sir.
Due to the external field only, electrons are drifted. As the electrons are drifted, more the drifting, more charges are induced on the surfaces. Therefore, there will be more induced electric field. So, the induced electric field if is always opposite to external electric field. If these two are equal in magnitude, then what will happen? Net electric field will be zero. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes.
Understood, sir. But I have one doubt, sir.
Tell
Sir, can you explain that last statement, sir?
this one.
Yes, sir.
See, when initially say 5 electrons have come here, then there is an induced field. But this induced field is not equal to this. Suppose this is 100, this is 10. Still some more electrons will come. This is 15, 30, 80, 90, 100. Then this will be equal, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Followed.
Followed.
This field will be increased only if the electrons deposited here are more. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Understood, sir.
Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Tell
Sir,
me.
for example, if it is a hypothetical situation, like full electrons are drifted to left side means then also this electric field is there. Then
Hmm.
electrons will try to move to right side, no, sir.
No,
Then what
no,
will happen?
wait, understand, man. If these two are equal, see, this is lesser. What mathematical sense you have, man? First, this is 0. This is some 20. This becomes 5. This will be 20. This becomes 12. This is still 20. 18, 20, 20, 20 becomes, they're balanced, no? That means net field is 0. Where from again electrons will come? At some stage, this field will be equal to this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then electrons cannot move further.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Understood.
Net force is
So
0, no?
yes, sir.
Agreed.
Net force is zero. Agreed, sir.
That's,
Agreed.
so I can say that that's why learn maths also by reasoning, not by formulas. Then only you'll improve. Simply dumping on formula, quadratic equation, and inequalities, substitute that. For copying whatever graph is given, you'll copy that. Understood this? Here, your doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
We are all gifted with logic. Unfortunately, few people use that. Those are the people who will come up successful in life. That too, I am not rushing now. Man. I'm spending a lot of time. You ask any other faculty to take extra class like this daily, what they'll say, see. They try to complete the syllabus, whatever it is, within the time. That's all. 1 minute also they won't spend. In spending time, still you are not improving. What we can do? Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
What will happen? Understood this? That means, in other words, the external field that passes through the metallic body is balanced by induced electric field. Followed this?
Yes, sir. Followed.
Sir, one more doubt, sir,
Check.
related to last part. Yes, sir. Sir, for example, entire electrons are drifted to one side. Still, induced electric field is not balanced by this external electric field. Means external electric field is more. Then what will happen, sir?
Whenever the electric field enters, okay,
Uh,
hello,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hearing, sir.
whenever an external electric field enters, it can pass only to the amount where it can balance. External cannot be as long as external field is there, so electrons goes on coming now. So they have to be
Yes, sir.
balanced. Followed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Follow.
Now suppose you are saying if it is an shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Come.
Finish this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see what in the situation what you are discussing. Let me address what your doubt. Suppose we are
Yes, sir.
having a hypothetical situation wherein this is the positive charge, this is the negative charge. Then the electric field will be this one,
Yes, sir.
Electric field lines always will be from positive to negative, no? Do you agree with this? Hello.
Agree, sir. Agree, sir.
Now I am introducing this and keeping on metal like this. When a metal is kept, what will happen? There will be induced charge here, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? And this will be, so again this will be negative. Agreed? Till here you
Agreed,
followed?
sir.
So
Followed.
here we can see that this is the Q dash, induced charge. Remember what is Q dash?
Sir, Q in minus Q in by.
Remember this?
Yes,
Now
sir.
inside, agreed. So there will be an electric field called induced field, and of course this is the external field that passes through this E outside. Now you can see if you look at an electron, there will be a force here because electric field or electron will be having a force opposite to the electric field. No,
Yes,
this
sir.
you agreed.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
So what is E inside? Can you tell? That external field minus induced field. No? Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
E external, I'll call this. Inside you have this the net field. No? Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
So is it clear?
Sir. Yes, sir. Till here, clear, sir.
Remember the electric field. This is Now you can see this, you remember or not? With
Remember, sir.
medium. This is nothing but, that means E inside a medium is E in free space by K. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is
Yes,
there?
sir. No doubt, sir.
So here inside is nothing but E vacuum by K. K, this is E inside is how much? E naught. So what is K, man?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree till here? Now
Agree, sir.
if this equals this, what is the K value?
Infinity.
So that is the reason why we say for metals K is infinity. For others it won't be balanced. That is the case you are saying, no? So that means
Yes, sir.
K is not equal to infinity. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any doubt is there? Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear. It is clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Suppose some dielectric. Dielectric means non-conductor insulator. Then what happens? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That means when you introduce a dielectric here, no doubt there will be polarization. This is Q, this is minus Q. Q dash is, okay, clear enough. So we can see that K is not equal to infinity. No? Agreed. So there will be, this is the electric field E naught, this is the electric field. So here this is less than E naught. That means the field lines distribution will be like this. They come like this, they terminate Few lines may pass through this. Again, they may come over here. Agreed. So this is, they terminate here. Followed this or not?
Yes.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Get till here, any doubt is there? Is it clear? Boys?
Clear, sir.
Right, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay? Right then. Take care.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
bye. Bye bye bye.